Certic internally has built a very active alerting and monitoring system. So 24/7, the system is analyzing transactions on chains and then sending out alerts anytime it detects something significant, right? So whether that's an exploit, an exit scam, change in ownership for like transferring private key rights, all of that will be detected by the system. But in addition to that, we also have human analysts on the back end that review these alerts just to verify that they are 100% correct. We're trying to improve the accuracy of our system over time, but having that level of human analyst verification just adds another layer of assurance to that. And we visualize all of that for our users here. So, if you are interested in looking at the latest alerts on different chains, you can come here, you can click on the alert, and you can, find a little bit more information, right? So, what address is it associated with? What was the amount? What was the associated tag? So in this case, there was a large liquidity removal as an exit scam that happened March 30th on this timestamp on this block number. And then, this impacted the YPT token. You can see how much of the token was removed, and then you can see kind of all the associated information. So, for any of our users that want to go and do a little bit more investigation or really try to learn more about different project hacks and alerts and stuff, this is a nice little database for them to go in and access that information.